guys, we got a bit of a car meet today, because why the hell not. We got Katie down here with me. We got a Nissan Silvia. We're providing some noises, because why the hell not. There's a Nismo 350 GT. So is the Skyline. We have this Ford RS, Ford Performance, very nice. Got a Cobra Mustang, got a couple of old cars.
Where are we down here, by the way?
A 370 GT. Titanium tip exhaust for the win. Got another yellow noises are being made. Skyline, hello. Let's see what we got. We got a Auto Fillet Skyline R34, could be wrong. Got a classic Peugeot 205, I was wrong. Golf. Yeah. Classic TVR. TVR, the Tossing Old Chimera. 3 minis. Classic mini, should I say. What else we got? We have Lambo doors on the I'm not actually too sure what it is. Black Mercedes for the win. Skyline's parked over there. Another Ford Opel. There's an i8 over there. Oh, hello. Seriously. Slammed. Noises being made by the purple van with side bikes. Why not? Oh my god, there's. Oh, hello. Oh, we've got a couple of classics. We got a Pontiac. I want to say Firebird. Let's get a look at that interior. Interior shot. Look at that. Pontiac. Got a K2M. BMW i8 with a Volkswagen. Oh, okay, yeah. Mustang number 1. Audi, Ford, and then this. I was in this last night. Look at this. Chrome and crispy Shelby GT.
This is going 8 2 weeks time.
Ladies and gentlemen, the car I was in ages ago. 5 litre. Where is it supercharged? I don't know if it's supercharged. I have a feeling it might be. 5 litre Mustang V8. Sounds are being made. Got a EP9 and the Civic. We have a 4-cylinder with the turbo and an air intercooler. Got a Ford. An old Jag. Nope. Okay, I'm not actually too sure. If you guys know what this car is, do leave it in the comment section below. A couple of old Defenders. Alwyn Civics. Got a nice Supra for the win. Some brave wheels on the Honda Type S. And the devil himself has arrived in the Nissan 370. We have a BMW convertible in matte grey. We have some rather different wheels, but looking very nice. And oh my days, it's a noises. There's a Ford F-150. There's a Sheriff. Nice. Make sure these cars be good. Yeah, he knows. I'm interested in this Ford F-150 over here. There is a Porsche. Let's have a look. What is it? I believe this is the Cayman GTS. I could be wrong. Sorry, there's a Ram. Which is quite big. It has, oh my days, classic reverse sounds. There's Katie. There she is. Come in. I'm sorry, I've just spotted another car that I like. Yes, I'm interested in this Camaro. Police Chevy Camaro, should I say. There's a thing over here, I'm going to go have a look at it. I've got a Mustang. Let's have a look, see what else we got. A couple of American classics. Very nice. Also Ford, I thought it was an Impala, fucking hell. actually Sportage/Chevy. That is very nice. Oh, well, there you go. Yes, please. V8 sounds. Oh my days! Look at. I don't know. We have a hot rod. Wow. I don't. That sounds nice. Yeah. And slams in the bill. Okay, I'm not. This could be a Ford. I'm not actually too sure what this is. Looks very nice though. It's probably it. I'm going to die. Not too sure what it has. Something should start it up over there. It smells nice. We have a 65 Mustang coming in. Oh, that was close. Reverse gate. Yeah, there it is. More V8 noises. So there we go. We have classic, some classic cars, or slash the American Chevy. We have the slammed Renault, actually looking colourful pink. That was a rev from the Mustang. So we have new Mustang versus old Mustang versus that. Thank you very much, sir. You know you want to. Yeah. Thought so. Those are some more noises. Oops.
It's safe to leave me unattended. I almost got run over.
Oh god. That is not safe. Turbo. Likely turbo diesel. No, it's got another Skoda's. We're going to die. Really.
That's a nice Mustang.
Yeah, see, we have new Mustang versus old Mustang versus kind of.
You should see the BMW over there.
Oh, okay. Wrong.
Oh, I'm just
Literally, look at that thing. I'm not actually too sure as to what that is. I want to say a 32 Ford. I could be severely wrong. Yes.
the Ford at the end. I can't see what it is from here, but I like that.
For a second, I thought it was a Chevrolet Impala. It's not. Yes, you can. Yes, I can. Please don't die.
I'm only short. I'm only heavy.
Oh, that is slammed to the ground. That's a Cadillac. And then you got this. On very nice wheels. That is nice. Chrome. What else is around? Let's go have a look, shall we? Oh, okay, we're going this way. Hang on. This guy has his bottle open, which instantly means I have to go see what he has. Things making noises. Ford ST engine. As you can see, wait, what is there turbo in there? That's hot, man. Much content for the win. Look how many cars are here. Oh, we have an Advan livery. I completely missed this. Advan livery EP9. I saw the engine. I completely missed the Advan livery.
Down this way.
Who slammed Golf? Actually, that's an arrow. Look at that. Okay, let's have a look. See what we got. There's another Advan. We got a Golf. We got a flip. I don't know what this is. It's a Mitsubishi. That's a V6. Wow, that's insane. Look at that shit. Things of making noises. Got a Subaru. No. Possibly, I don't know. Lambo doors on the Peugeot. Possibility. More Lambo doors on the i8. My MG. Things are making noises. Go have a look.
80% on the windscreen, and this is 85.
Right, but I've just spotted something over here. It's a Ford. No, it's not. Go have a look, see what this is. I'm gonna run through the trees to listen to some V8 noises. It's a 32 Ford. No, it's not. I don't know what this is. That looks amazing. Ford F100. Wow, I'm not done. With some more V8 noises, right? Oh, titanium exhausts. In kind of a purpley blue kind of colour. Smelling. There is some more. got another BMW i8. This would be the second. Thank you. Let's get the car.
Oh, there's a load coming down.
Now,
Cops coming down.
Silently rolling in is a BMW i8.
Shit, cops coming down.
Cops coming down. Oh my, there's a Mustang. Guys, we have 2 cops right now.
Move in the office.
There is straight up a line of Mustangs. Straight up. Guys, check this out. Oh my days. We have a sheriff over there. And then straight up, look at this. We're gonna stand on top of this rock. We have American cops for the win. Yeah, the Americans have arrived. Thank you. Yes, sir. American cars for the win. Yes, sir. And then there's not one Mustang, but 2, 3. Go on, give us, yes. Some 5-litre V8. Oh, you know you want to. There's more coming. Yeah. No soft limiter and a manual gearbox. 5-litre V8. Don't know if it's supercharged, so that's the only problem. And then we have one of the old boys. Another Mustang. Not actually too sure what Mustang it is. Thank you. More V8 noises. And then we have, so we're going from new, old, kind of new. Not actually too sure. Okay, I'm going to take a walk down here. Let's have a look. We have a Mustang GT, followed by Shelby? I don't know. Shelby Mustang? My voice just died for a second. We have a Ram V. Oh, okay. Now this is fun American. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, he stalled it. No, he hasn't. Oh, go on. Oh, hello. We have a turbo through the hood of the Mazda. Turbo noises. Thank you. Turbo noises. Chrysler, I think. Yes, it is. Mercedes. Oh, look at this. Kitted out. Thank you. Kitted out BMW wide body. I don't know if you can see that. Someone's making noises. Who is it? Oh wow. BMW 200, I think. Quad tip exhausts, because why wouldn't you? There's a Ram. There's a oh dear me. Look at the oh dear. Flat 6 from the Porsche. Thank you. More cops, more sounds. Cayman S. 5-litre V8 car. Yeah. Perfect. Well done. This is just Mustangs. There you go. Noises from the bike. That's what I wouldn't do. Now, a very nice Mustang. Is that supercharged? Oh, it's actually. Yes. Supercharged Mustang with a very nice chrome purple tip down it. And then we have this lifted. Hey, we got a wave. There is a DeLorean. How do you think of it? Okay, we've got more cops. Be good. There's cops. Actually, more in there. Be careful. Yeah, you know it. Back to the Future car. In the DeLorean. And then we've got more cops. Straight up Camaro, SS. Oh, fudge. A Camaro ZL1. No, it wasn't. No, that is a Ford. No, it's not. Yes, it is. That's a hot rod. Hot rod Ford. How's it going? Mate, that's a brilliant car. V8, of course. And then more cops. Yeah, now you see, I don't know what they're expecting. We have the NYPD.
That's a nice
I'm being good. I'm being good.
one. You better be good.
Oh my days, is that a Camaro? That is a Camaro, I don't know.
Dodge Charger.
What's a Dodge Charger? Thank you. silently rolling. That's a, I don't know what it is. It's an NYPD Ford of some description. Dodge Charger, as I've just been told, rolling in. And completely, oh no, okay, it looked like it was shaking for a second. I think we're going to do an Adam soon. We're going to catch some arrivals. Okay, my voice just died for a second, but comment down below what you think is the best looking car out here. But I can't pronounce that. Straight up massive car move. We have Mustangs. There's like American cars everywhere. Okay, I don't think there's going to be any more rolling in, so I think we're going to head back into the meet and see what was going on. Oh no, we're being followed by a very squeaky, yeah, that's squeaky. But we thank you. Oh my. Thank you, I'm now dead. Isn't just. A slammed Ford. Complete with police lights. Yeah, American stuff for the win. Got, what's that? Someone's making noises and I'm going to go now, I'm going to go explore the noises. Yo. Now there's a ram, there's something in the, thank you cops. There's a trailer here, but I'm not actually too sure what's in the trailer. Cops making more noises. There are so many cops here, like literally American cops. Let's go check out fully what we've got down here. I'm not too sure what's in there. It'd be quite interesting to know. But here we go. This is full on. We're gonna get a very nice shot at this. There we go. So we got Ford there, got a Ram there, cops down there, more cops rolling in. Oh, it's a Dodge Magnum. So how many V8s can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's just a lot. Yeah.
From American Muscle UK.
Oh no way.
Yeah. And Facebook page American Muscle UK. This one here, that one, the ones that just turned up American cars. Facebook page is American Muscle UK.
Shout out to the guy that's just told me where these cars are from. American Muscle UK, go follow the page. This is where all these cars are from, well the ones that have just arrived anyway. So we've got cops rolling in. There's a cop car over there, there's a blue one. They normal ones. Wait, where's that? Yeah, they are. What? Oh no, I believe. Oh, there's Adam. I thought he'd be here. There's there's Adam in his freaking. Oh, they're all here. The gang's here. So Adam, yeah, okay. Is someone in my class. We have the V8 rolling up. Oh, that's side pipe. That's side pipes. Cops. Yeah. Oh no, we have brave wheels on the BMW over there. Right.
Some more racing round. Why have we picked the cold spot?
What is that? I believe that might be a skyline. We're gonna go check it out. No, it's another Mustang. Some very brave wheels on the Volkswagen. We've got the gold. There's the gang rolling in. I can't remember the names, but one of the Peugeot was Adam. Peugeot? I said Fiat. Yeah. More V8 noises from the Mustang. Yeah. In matte grey, which looks it. Thank you. We're gonna stand behind it because what's the worst that can happen? Am I right? Yeah. Mustang GT. Got a Jaguar. They're very loud. Yeah, that's loud. That's impressive. And then a turbo. Alright, let's roll on in. Let's follow the. If you can read this, I need mud. Yes, that'd be fun.
That'd be my car.
Hello. All I can smell is and that guy. Lambo, actually, that's good. Right, let's go check out some of the cars, see what we got. Yeah, they're just normal cars. Okay, so we got Skylines just sat there. We've got not really a lot. Well, actually, not really a lot. There's tons. But they are. Well, I don't know if it's lifted. Hang on, I'm gonna stand next to it. I found the truck was taller than me. I'm gonna stand out of the way. Oh, it's a Ram 500 for 1500. Very nice. Nah, it's just a Golf. Just a typical Golf. Right, I'm gonna go for here. Check this one some more. Got the colour flip kind of mini. There's the pipe, give us some noises. Tiny mini. Another tiny mini. And a Golf. Could be wrong. Yeah, Golf GTI. Very nice. There's a Ferrari. How did I miss that? How did I miss that? Got the Boxster Spider. How did I miss the Ferrari?
Because you went, oh my god, there's a Mustang, and ran off.
Yeah, but V8 noises. This is a oh, I don't. Oh, the engine's there. Might better tell what engine this is. There's the Ferrari engine. Look at that. Yeah, V8 noises. What was that? V8 noises from something. Is this a? I don't know what Ferrari this is. 355. Naturally aspirated V12 or V8. It's whatever that is. Ow, my knees just clicked. Yeah, I've actually no idea. But it's an automatic. Automatic. It's a manual gearbox. Very nice. Much V8 goodness is here today. V6 sounds from the Nissan, and then cars making all manner of noises over here. Yes, it is. I'm doing a video. Yeah, I don't. Not one of things like this. Oh, actually, yeah. I'm gonna check out the RB26. There he is. Yeah. It's a Ford. Something else is making its arrival. Yeah, we're gonna get severely bullied. The roll cage in the BMW. A nice purple BMW. And then really nothing else. Maybe there are noises. So yeah, this is literally the meet, guys. There's so much stuff. It is absolutely insane. Yeah, but no, just a Ford Galaxy. Yeah. Yeah, this meet is nuts, guys. Absolutely insane. This has been V8 goodness, V8 sounds, V6s. I believe there's only one V12, which is that Ferrari just over there.
Okay.
More sounds. think, yeah, there's the brave wheels from the BMW. Let's go have a proper look, see what's in this Skyline, shall we? Got the got a nice BMW X5. See, let's have a look. What's in this car? Oh, and there it is. Absolutely beautiful engine that is. Perfect. RB26 with that. Oh, there's the turbo. Absolutely huge. Actually, that is quite a nice paint job. Actually, look at that. And the colour flip. That's like that. I'm gonna look at the turbo. See what the turbo's like. Yeah, that's a huge turbo. RB26. Don't know how much horsepower it has. But I'm gonna say a lot. Because it covers the 10% lot. Got a Jaguar. BMW. Yeah, TVR. If I had to pick a favourite car, Mustangs straight up. He's leaving. Hashtag tag Adam C in this right now. So is there any more coming up? Not by the looks of it, no. Oh no, there is something coming down.
Yeah, you just missed the Skyline and leaving.
Yeah, no, I saw it. I'm gonna see what this Mercedes has over here. There's a Mercedes over here that has an interesting engine, and I want to see what it is. I believe it's a 6.3 litre V8, naturally aspirated. Yeah, there it is. V8. Yeah, 6.3 naturally aspirated V8.
I noticed it.
Yeah.
I actually looked at my rearview mirror and you could notice it real good. Like, yeah, I like it.
We've got more noises arriving from a BMW and the Ford I saw earlier.
I'd rather have that Pontiac Phantom.
Oh, it's a contact man box. Audi. Anyways, we got a bit of a sticker showcase on the Nissan. Okay, we're gonna go have a look at some more cars rolling in. Audi's buggering off. A couple more. Again, gonna yeet for the trees. To capture a Mark V Supra rolling in. There's BMW with a lot of camber. Oh yeah, I saw the inside of that. Yeah. Not as too sure what engine that is. But we have another Mark V Supra coming in. We have, yeah. Not too sure what that is, but that's a very cool car. That's a very cool looking car. English. And then the Mark V Supra. GR. I thought he stalled his car for a second. That would have been hilarious. All is silent on the arrivals. But nah, this is an incredible meet, absolutely incredible. If it wasn't thanks to Katie, I wouldn't have seen all this. I probably would have heard it, but I probably wouldn't have seen it. So this is absolutely incredible. Oh, and the wind is there too. Absolutely incredible. You guys pick your favourite car and put them in the comment section below. As this Mark V Supra does some things. BMW, the Ram. So you got a regular Ram there, and the other Ram's over that. Well, that one's slightly bigger than what that one is. Yeah, there's the van that I saw coming in. Porsche, or Porsche, however you pronounce it. I'm not actually too sure. Not a lot else rolling in, to be honest. This meet is straight up huge, absolutely insane. Vauxhalls, Porsches, things with big engines. If it stinks with big engines, why wouldn't you? I think I have to say, out of all of them, obviously Mustangs and everything, but come on, credit where credit's due. TVR. That's where the credit's due. The TVR. Oh, hello. Something red's coming down, and it has something on it. I'm not actually too sure what it is. Mark 4 Supra? Oh, I was right. Well, it's either a Supra or Celica. One of the two. We can have a look. I believe to be a Celica. Could be right. It's either a yeah, that is a Celica. Or I don't know. It's either Supra, Mark 4 Supra. The huge cannon on the back of that. And then the Golf, same deadly. So be aware of this Golf. It could be quite deadly. Plane noises. So this me, guys, is just absolutely nuts. Absolutely insanity. We've got V8s, V6s, V12s, straight 6s, flat 6s. Kind of, I don't know what's in the BMW i8, so if it's a 3 litre, I'm not actually too sure. We have car, we have NYPD. There's just a lot. Okay, you coming? Over. We're gonna go have a look at the cop cars. So yeah, got the Ferrari. Wait for that dude to take a picture. Awesome sauce. Nice. Stance parking. Jaguar. A 2008. I don't know why I would want one of them. Classic. Yes. Yes. Yeah, because why not? There's another police car. How did I miss that? Ford. Let's go check out this Ford F-100, shall we? Got the BMWs, MX-5, with a very interesting bonnet. A very nice Ford F-100 with a V8. That's alright. Very nice looking car. Yeah, super sounds. Mark 5 and Mark 4 Super having a rev off. Yeah. I knew that would happen. So anyway, if we go over here, we have the Mustang GT. It's just been sat to the side, because, yeah. Let's have a look, see what else we got. The Mustang GT has gone down there. Let's go down here, see what the cop cars are like. We didn't have a look at these coming in. Well, we had a look at some of them, but not all of them. So we're gonna have. So to start off with, we have a Ram, Dodge Ram, very nice. A Ford Crown Victoria, and then whatever this is, it's a Ram of some description. It's a K9 unit, but better stay away then. Yeah, here we go. The police cars are right here. So we got another one that's like over there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cop cars, 6 cop cars. A couple of STs with their hoods up. Let's go check these out.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah.
An ST engine, very nice. Let's have a look at what's inside your car. That. Yes. I'm sorry, but out of all the cop cars, why would you? Yes, just have that old cop car. Look at that. Huge exhaust. Absolutely huge exhaust. A couple of slammed cars or Mustangs. I think the quantity here is probably V8. Yeah. Mustang GT. Another Mustang. Yeah, we've got a lot. We've got loads here. That's incredible. turbo sounds. So much stuff here. Yummy. Tea, grass. Another one. There's just tons here. Absolutely tons. We haven't had a look at this kite. What is this? Hillman. Hillman Imp? Probably. Nice being ready. See what else is here. Porsche Boxster, TVR, so the Chimera or Griffin, I'm not too sure which one it is, but it has a Rover V8. Mini, yeah, big thing.
Beast.
Something just died. Who wouldn't have one of them? Got the Hillman. There is just nuts over here. Pancakes just out the wall. There is something old coming in.